Four-way intersection of Hadley we just went through. There's that old feed store. And this used to be a dead end for the longest time, ever since I've ever known it. And they put a bridge through.
Well, the bridge was there.
This little Porsche. Bridge wasn't there.
No?
No, as far as I know, there was no bridge here. Pretty cool bridge, isn't it? Very narrow bridge. Geez, you know what I'm thinking? What's the tonnage of this bridge with my truck? Jeez. Oh, look, and you got a train bridge trestle there, the creek. I'm gonna stand right here on the bridge with my truck. You can see where the water lets out over there in Luzerne. But dang, I'll tell you.
Pat!
Make you nervous?
No, look.
Oh.
Headed out to my big two-wheeler.
Yeah, you can only fit one vehicle through. All right. Maxine and Missy
And just roll that power on.
here in Corinth.
She was carrying them out.
12 hours out of Mackinac City, stopped
Big
in
truck.
Florida.
Yeah, I know you like reading. Yes, you missed me. I know.
Met a girl, we had a few drinks.
Tons of kisses. She carried it. I thought she found on the ground. I don't want to
She
see
looked out the
on the
window
ground.
alone.
She's trying to bury it.
Bury it? Where? Over next to the bank?
I hear him sing.
Oh.
She didn't have to say a
All right.
thing.
Don't let her. Don't. Missy!
What she was thinking.
Save it for later? Here, look.
Roll me away.
Eat it down.
Roll me away.
You know, you're not going to put it down under my foot. You're buried under the brake pedal.
We never even said a word. We just walked out and got on that bank. And we rolled. And we rolled clean out of
Check
sight.
out these items. We're at Saratoga County Surplus, where I bid on stuff on eBay and buy stuff. And I bought 20 doors and a whole pile of dog kennels. And here it all is. I even bid on that dumpster, but I didn't get that. Dang. We got lots of stuff.
Felt so good to
Delivered
me.
by hand. Thank God we got such a big truck, huh? I guess we'll go around the back today. And that's what we have left. We filled this truck to the hilt. These guys here were fantastic. Warren County Surplus on eBay. All Warren County Surplus items they sell off. All this fencing was $178. There was thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in fencing here. Still more to come. We'll get back to it. We have all these pipes to go. All that roll of fencing, these pieces of pipe, these fencing, this, all these pipes, the pipes that go out over there. We have that fencing there, and all of these doors. I bought all these doors for $5, and it's obvious they want us out of here. I'm gonna wrap it up.
It's all up to me to decide.
Well, we're going through Lake George. Doing a whopping 55 miles an hour. Put a truckload full of fencing. And a pit bull on my lap. Should be on a little bit.
Gotta keep riding, keep searching till I find what's right. And as the sunset faded, I spoke to the famous first star.
Yeah, roughly.
I said next time.
Oh.
Next time.
Don't she go in the store? She went in the store. What are you worried about? She'll be right back. You just sit here and moan until she comes out. Right? Right up there. I go stare at that door. And wait, and wait, and wait. I just hope you can wait a little quieter.
You see? Sit.